So we are gonna code now, okay? Welcome back, guys. I'm a programmer, and the first language that I've learned as programming was Java. But because I've been fiddling with other languages, for example, JavaScript and other languages, I kind of forgot how Java works. Fortunately, that's my bad. But yeah, so what this video is me trying to go back to my roots to Java. And how are we gonna do that? This Code Wars. Code Wars is basically a practice range of how like to program in Java. So yeah, let's just do it. It's basically this. They give you like instructions and you have to program it, and they will do tests and everything. I'll show you the first example that I have here. For example, messy goal function. So this is the instructions, what I need to do. This is going to be the sample test later on. And of course, I'm going to try to attempt it. We're going to test it and then we're going to attempt it. But I don't like to do it here. So what I like to do is put it in my IDE, which is I'm using Intel IJ, and putting it to here, copy paste it here, and then we test it here. Let's read the first instruction. Messi is a soccer player with goals in 3 leagues: La Liga, Copa del Rey, and Champions. Okay. Complete the functions to return his total number of goals in all 3 leagues. Then note the input will always be valid. So basically, it's just to sum up everything that it gives me, which is pretty easy to be honest. So it's 3 integers. What I'm gonna do here is so it's gonna be an integer of La Liga goals, integer of Copa del Rey goals, right? And the integer of Champion League's goals, right? Integer goes 1, goes 2, and integer goes 3. So I just need to return goes 1 plus goes 2, and then goes 3. And I put this, and in theory that should give me the total number of goals. Oh, okay, wait, I'm dumb. La Liga, Copa del Rey, Champions League also, Champions League, right? And this should be numbers. So the first one is 5, 10, and then like that. And if I run this, it should be running 17, which was the correct answer. Now I get this code, just copy this. I could have done it here and it would be easier, but I wanted to do it there. So return Liga, La Liga, Copa del Rey, tal. Okay, now let's test it. Test passed and attempted. Perfect. So correctamundo. So with that, if I submit it, I get more points for that, and if I don't submit it, if I checked, and yeah, it's basically the same return. It's really, this is funny. This is really funny, but yeah. Mumbling. Okay, it's a Q7, so we're going higher and higher. Mumbling. Let's train this. This time, no story, no theory. The examples below show you how to write function accurately. So ABCD is A, B, B, C, C, D, D. So it's like whichever position it is. Okay. And it's like the first, if it's in the first position, it's just 1. If it's in the second position, it's 2. Third position, 3. Third, 4. Okay, I think that's gonna be easy. And the parameter of vacuum is a string which includes only letters from A to Z. And A to Z capital, A small letter and capital, which is good. So what we can do now, run it back. It works. It works. I don't care. It happens. So, to recap, what I did is basically get the whole string to uppercase. Do it like put it in uppercase, put it in a variable, and then I make a string builder for answer that I can return and convert it to string again. Make a string builder for answer, and then make a for loop of the length of the string that it gives me, and get the uppercase character of the string, put it in a variable, and to be honest, I can just put it here. I don't use it, but yeah, here. Instead, put it first, put it in a variable, and then here's my ifs. Here's my tower of ifs. So I'm saying that if the I is more than 1, and then less than the last number of length, it will put first the uppercase character, and then the other ones that are smaller case. But what if it gives me a smaller letter? Yeah, because if it gives me something like uppercase, I can use it. So I'm just gonna put it all lowercase. This will just get, if it's not the first or the last of the string, the first or the last character of the string, it will get it. It will repeat it how many times of like the position of the character it is. So if it's in the second position, it will repeat it 2 times. The first one, it will be uppercase, and then the other ones are all lowercase. And this is if it's the last one, because if it's the last one, I'm not gonna put the hyphen, sorry. And if it's the first one, which is the only case, the last case, it will just put one singular character that's uppercase. So now with this, I copy it and then paste it here. And test it. Okay, sample test, good. And then now attempt it. And it passed. Random test, fixed test. I love it. So that's 2 down. Submit. Let's see how other people did it. String builder, yeah. Builder. He used a for I mean, someone, did some of my friends do it? Yeah. Give him back. What's giving back? What substring? And I thought mine was big. Damn. Okay. And I thought mine was a big chunk, but no, it's not that big. And it's just little. Like I put everything to lowercase, and I put everything to uppercase, and I use those to build it with if else. Like I write it down with the if else inside of the for, and then I return over, put it in answer. I build it, I put it in answer, and then I send answer as a string. Yeah, it's yeah. Okay, next kata. Okay, now implement a function that computes the difference between two lists. The function should remove all occurrences of elements from the list A that are present in the second list B. The order of elements in the first list should be preserved in the result. So there's two lists. We're gonna find the difference between those two of the elements from the first list that are present in this. The function should remove all occurrences of the elements from the first list that are present from the second list. So if there's a difference between them, I remove it from A. If A is 1, 2 and B is 1, the result should be only 2. If A is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and it should be okay, so I have okay. So if the first array that I have is like, for example, 1, 2, and then the B I don't have 1, then I should remove just the 1 and then leave the 2. Just 1. Okay. I think I got that. Hmm. 4 and 3. Yeah, it's correct. I got the idea basically from AI, but the AI was using sets. So I tried to think more so because I wanted to use array copy, and in my thought process was basically I iterate from A instead of B because I was iterating with B with A and then checking if that number from A is in B, and if it is, then I shouldn't put it. But if it's not, then I should put it in a temporary array. If what I was missing was a temporary array, and if to check if it's the same as B, and I was doing B to A, not A to B, which is kind of more difficult. Which is okay. That's why I was hitting a wall all the time. But now, this is it. I think I put this right now to code doors, which is here. If I put this like here, and then do the attempt, it should pass. Thank you very much. Other people's. They use list. They use list. I used okay. Instr. Okay. Okay. The people I'm following did some. Yeah. This is more or less what I did. What I thought of. Yeah, it checks from A to B. If it's false, yeah, it's this is. But he, instead of using array copy, he did it the manual way, which is I don't want to do that. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, for more videos of me embarrassing myself as a programmer. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.